morning. Today we are delivering Amazon packages again. It is 5:39 a.m. and I am on my way to McDonald's to get something to eat before I go to pick up these packages. No. Can I get a number 5 with the sweet tea? That's it. Second window. Thank you. Thank you. I am inside of the warehouse where I'm picking up my packages for today. It is 6:08. My route is from 6:15 to 9:45. I'm definitely going to get a route today just because of the time of my shift. In my last vlog, I did a 4 a.m. shift and I only had one package. And then that same day, I did a 4.5 hour route, but my route was only 2 hours and only had 15 packages. So I predict today I will have more packages than both of those times, which is fine. It happens. I actually have a lot of packages today. I have 44 packages. Huh? I'm confused. Wow. Okay. I have 44 packages, but it looks like my first stop is 23 packages. 23 packages at one person's house is crazy work. So that's gonna be half of the packages right there. It looks like it's about 36 minutes away, but I'm gonna put this in Apple Maps because on my way here the highway was backed up. Okay, so the way that it's trying to take me is a toll, and I'm not going no tollways. I don't have no money on my Easy Pass, so it's gonna take me 35 minutes to get there, which is fine. Alright, so we are officially out of the warehouse. We are on the road. It's going to take me 32 minutes to get to the first drop off with the 23 packages, which my packages are not that organized. But the thing I like about this fulfillment center is they label the packages in the order that they're supposed to be delivered. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you ain't much for you to figure out. Versus the other fulfillment center, I have to actually look at the package and figure out what it is. But also at the fulfillment center, you can take as long as you want to put your packages in your car. Versus this one, you have a time limit because they let all the cars out at once. I'm at the first drop off, and these are the 23 packages. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but 23 packages. I've been at this location for 8 minutes. That's how long it took me to find all those packages and put them on the front porch. But our next stop is a Amazon locker. All right, y'all. I am actually almost done with my route. I'm like halfway. I'm actually halfway done with my route. It is 7:28 and I'm on my way to my next stop. My next stop has 5 packages. So, I finally decided to look at the itinerary, and I only had 11 stops after pickup. So the pickup is the first stop. So in total I had 12, but this is about to be number 6. So, and they have 5 packages, and then a couple other stops they have. Basically, I want to say all of the packages that I've dropped off for all my stops had multiple packages. So this was actually a really good route. Fingers crossed. I think I might be done before 8 o'clock because the stops are pretty close together. Like the stop I just dropped off and the one I'm about to drop off now, they're in neighboring neighborhoods. So I'm literally driving like a couple streets down into this new set of houses. All right, it is 7:42, 7:43, and baby, really, I'm really trying to finish by 8, for real. So this next stop, the next 2 stops, they look like they're really close together. They look like they're about a minute apart. Next stop, that stop had 4 packages. This next stop has 2 packages, and who knows how much the one after this has. Okay, we finished before 8 o'clock. It is 9:58. So I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna turn my Uber Eats on and see if anything is popping up in this area or anything is popping up. If anything pops up on my way from here to home, otherwise I'm probably just gonna go straight home and take a shower. So listen, Linda, I end up picking up an order, but I was trying to pick up an order on my way home, and the name of the street threw me off. The name of the street made me think that I was gonna be going towards my home, and I'm not. I'm going back to where I came from, and this was not even a good order. Like miles, girl, calm down. Miles per dollar. This was not a good order, but that's okay. That's okay. We all make mistakes. So I'm about to go drop this order back off, and then we gonna try again with picking up an order on the way home. On the way home. I am on my way back home. I tried to do a shop and deliver order, whatever, but the store, and it was for $10, and it's close to my house. I'm literally down the street from my house. And when I got to the store was supposed to be open because it's 8:50 right now. The store opens at 8 o'clock. I pulled on the door, it would not open. The door is locked. It's very much locked. But the lights were on inside of the store. So that sucks. It is literally 2 weeks later. I'm just finishing editing this video. I went to Miami for 6 days. Now I'm back. I had to get back into the swing of things. But I made $79 on my Amazon route, and then I made $8.01 on the Uber Eats order. So I made $87.01 on this day. I worked about what, hour, 2.5 hours. That's pretty good for 2.5 hours, but I did want to just end the video off and let y'all know how much I made and all that stuff. But yes, thank y'all for watching this video. I will see y'all in another video.